Long wait for long walk. Hi, I'm Ray. Buju Banton's return to the local stage in March coming not a moment too soon for many Jamaicans. The DJ is said to be rehearsing regularly ahead of his March 16 gig at the National Stadium. But after such a long absence from performance, is too much being expected too soon?
Other DJs may have sold more records, but Buju Banton with a unique place in the dancehall pantheon, largely based on the impact of his 1995 Till Shiloh project, critically acclaimed as perhaps the best dancehall album of all time. Banton's return home last December after a long prison term in the US, setting the stage for a huge homecoming concert. The VIP tickets gobbled up at $500 a pop. Initial online ticket sales, from bleachers to grandstand to general, now suspended in favor of purchases in selected outlets.
I'm not there tonight with you. Not in the flesh, but in the spirit, I am there.
Banton not present at his Long Walk to Freedom launch, and generally keeping a low profile ahead of the March 16 show, likely to be one of the largest local stage events in recent memory. That's a lot of pressure on Buju to deliver, perhaps too much pressure given his long absence from the stage. You're a medical doctor, not a psychologist. That said, what do you think people's expectations are for the Buju show come the 16th? And how does someone who effectively has to relearn his craft deliver on those expectations?
The expectations are huge because people have been looking forward to seeing Buju from he was incarcerated. And this is something that is highly anticipated. People are expecting an epic, iconic performance. It's really a lot of pressure. And the thing about performing, the performing arts, like anything else someone does, for example, sports, if you're out of the arena for a while, it takes a while to get back into that groove, to get back into that kind of energy. And that's the unknown. That's what makes the whole show so exciting. We're not hearing from him. We haven't seen him for a long time. And I think when Buju steps on that stage, I think the sheer euphoria can carry him probably for the first half hour without him even performing anything. I understand that he's going to be talking to the crowd as well. And people are also anticipating not just what he's going to be singing about, not just the songs, but we're anticipating, what is he going to be talking about. There's a lot that has happened in the past 8 years, and many people are dying to know, is this the same Buju? Is it a different Buju? Has he gone along a different spiritual pathway, a different musical path? We really don't know. This will be about less than 3 months since he's been back in the country. And performing is a complex thing. It's not just about the voice. It's about the body movement. It's about the energy and the exchange of energy between the performer and the audience. And that's a great unknown. And I think that's what makes this whole thing so exciting and unpredictable.
And why so many people are determined to be there.
Definitely. I'm ambivalent about the concert. I'm excited about going, but scared at the same time. I don't know how to feel. So I have these weird emotions.
Meanwhile, the lineup for Long Walk to Freedom now reported to include Chronics, Ghost, Cockatee, Etana, Deli Ranks, Lust, Agent Sasko, Romain Virgo, and Banton's son, Jazeel.
Everybody's weighing in on who they think should have been on it, whether or not it's a lineup to complement Buju Banton, or whether it's a lineup to feature people who are supportive of him through his Long Walk to Freedom.
Are you surprised Buju Banton hasn't talked directly to Jamaicans since his return, except for a tape message at his launch?
I am surprised and I'm disappointed as well. I think it was necessary for that kind of an interview, for that kind of an interaction. Prepare him for an interview, prepare him to engage. And they say he was not well and he needed to rest his voice because he's now getting back into the rigors of rehearsals. Fine, but to me, he needs to engage his public because that is how you make the connection. So it's not just about promoting the concert, but it's engaging the people who support you in a real way.
Some low-budget hardcore Buju fans just won't be able to afford this show.
And I think that's okay, because not everything is produced for everyone. I think they've made a good attempt to pitch it to maybe the VIP crowd who is willing to pay that, but as well to people who might be low budget people spending the dime while earning the nickel. And I think that for what they've managed to come up with, it's very affordable.
They're not really making it very well known, though, that people have forked out $500 for VIP tickets.
Well, the people who are to know that will know. And I think that's absolutely okay, because there are some people who are not going to want to mix with the common folk while enjoying a bit of Buju.
Though this life it gets me down, won't give up now, got to survive.
Dancehall endorsement. Ganja purveyor signs Big Baller DJ.
Government feeling the buzz. No more cloak and dagger. Carolyn sealing the deal.
Some plant coffee, some plant tea, so why can't I and I plant coffee?
Ganja distributor Epican stepping up its marketing efforts. Enter Yeah Yeah DJ Idonia.
This is a history born right here,
It's a marriage,
Jenna full of style, who no can't cope.
My use of this plant is this build me, this is my everyday life, this is my music life, So, once I heard about the whole merger, it was a great fit for me, because I've been a member here, before all of this, because I love the best and yes, I produce the best, and I'm a strong user of the thing. So once I heard about it, right away I want to do it, man, because dancehall music, reggae music, marijuana our life, you see me?
A puffer, but 2018 perhaps not his most smoking year.
Now, has the momentum slowed, or maybe you're not as hungry anymore, you think?
No, momentum not slow, you see me? I don't put out a bag of songs, but put out right songs at the right time, Easter around the corner, that's how we aim off, and then summer, we have mixtape, we have album, we have music video for Benzema forward.
Hot split, black crab, dark clothes.
And moving forward, different challenges after 10 years in the business.
Being consistent, because how dancehall music, music general go, people taste easily change, so I have to just try being consistent every year, try find the bang of them every year. That's how we slow down the pace of work, and just try find the right song them, please my fans, please the people, and I just say it right now.
Right now also though, trap the defining sound for younger dancehall fans.
Trap is hot right now, yeah, and there's, if you check the years, dancehall and rap kind of have a vibe over the years, It always mix and thing, but dancehall music now go nowhere, man, you see me? It will never die, it will never go anywhere. Jamaican culture, with lifestyle, dancehall and reggae music is here to stay.
Hallelujah. But back to ganja. How much is musical creativity linked to getting high?
It's a marriage, you see me? And we can talk about myself and a lot of great artists over the years, you see me? You smoke the herb, you get the words. It's just simple as that. You smoke the herb, your mates open up, you vibe the rhythm, you freestyle, you chat something. It's song, you see me? Marijuana bring forth its songs, because me can't work without it. No day, no time. If I don't have it, I don't work today. I need to dip on a high, I need to have my vibe, and that is my vibe. That is dancehall vibe. Dip on the corner, smoke a joint, feel irie, go in a studio, voice a song. Before stage show, smoke a joint. Before the interview, you write a song now, smoke a joint, feel a vibe and feel irie song. That's song.
Many focusing on the medical benefits of ganja, but the jury's still out on its effects, especially on smokers in their teens.
Are you guys worried that you're going to contribute to any kind of mental health crisis or people being in danger?
It's really a healing plant, and that's what we are pushing, that's what we are promoting. But what we're seeing now is that more and more people are learning, and more people are accepting this as a therapeutic medicinal plant and converting.
Epican currently operating at Marketplace, but branches planned for Montego Bay and Negril.
New Barrington Levy album coming soon. ER getting our first prips as we headed back to the singer's Hilltop Hangout in Clarendon.
Long time. It's money messed in your minds. Money is the drug. Yeah.
I really love where I am, and I mean, I have time to meditate and chill, and you know, no one bag of knives, no 24,000 hot skull stand up out of your gate waiting to watch your head back. My head back is safe down here. Money is the drug. Yeah, yeah.
Clarendon calling. Barrington Levy's compound atop Carty Hill a work in progress. The Living Dangerously singer expanding his Roses FM community radio project. But work just about done on a brand new recording studio that Levy was only too happy to show off.
The only thing we want inside there now is some hit records, really.
It ain't no joke about it, so you can't live without it. Money is the drug, yeah, yeah.
Barrington with plenty of those in his Glory Days catalogue, but not resting on his laurels, as himself and producer Handel Tucker put the finishing touches on new songs destined for Levy's first album since 2016's Grammy-nominated Acoustical Levy.
So we could have bring in Brian maybe Sunday or so, and lay down some background vocals.
Okay. Alright, cool. No problem. Got it.
You sell your soul to the devil, and that's a sin.
So nice having the means to make it all happen literally at his fingertips.
They'll do anything to get some more. Fight the fight, even go to war. Hey.
Now I'm here just writing and recording because it's the wise thing to do. Anything can happen tomorrow. And we need to know that we have some serious Barrington Levy on tape in case of anything. But the album is actually done and I'm ready to launch.
And you played a song earlier for me. Tell us about that track. What's the name of it?
It's called Trust Me.
Lord Barrington, play a little of it.
Okay, boss, let me do it.
Yeah. Baby, why you crying? I wish you stopped the crying. Everything I said to you, you tell me that I'm lying. Just to make you happy, baby, can't you see I'm trying, trying, trying. And it's you alone. You. What does it take for you to trust me, baby? What does it take for you to trust me?
Yes, sir.
So the bare bones of that particular track was a rhythm you got, an arrangement you got from an overseas producer. Then there were other elements that came in later.
Yeah, actually, the producer sent me the track and say he has a rapper on it and if I can do a hook on it for him. And I said to him, no, can I get the beat? Because I love the beat. And he said, yeah, man, of course, bro. You're Barrington Levy, bro. I'll give you that. Let's give him my credit, man. It's a pleasure. And I will send you some more beats as well. So he sent me the Pro Tools files and there you go.
On the telephone, she heard my voice.
You feel boxed in sometimes because when people think of Barrington Levy, they want the classic hits. How do you get people to be a little bit more open to new music?
When I started out, I did not start out thinking that I'm making classic. I went into the studio and just sing from my heart, and that's about it. And I would tell anyone, say, don't you ever tell anybody about you doing classics. You're in the studio, you feel the vibes, hoping that when you release them, people will feel the same way as you. And nobody can tell me, oh yeah man, this one is a hit. Yeah, you can say it's a hit all along. Stay in the studio and say it's a hit. At the end of the day, we will agree with what about the masses of people out there. All you can do is just pray to say, I hope you guys love this one.
What does it mean to you that Buju Banton is back in Jamaica and he's going to be doing a show on the 16th of March at the National Stadium?
It's a great thing. I'm glad for Buju. I'm happy that he's free. It's not even the show I'm talking about. It's just the man's freedom. He was set. As far as I see, that was a setup and he fell for it. But don't worry, Buju. It's one of those things. I'm glad that you're home. Let's get it, bro. And the song that we did together, I still have it on tape. I'm planning to put it on the album. And I have it on tape. It's called Winner. From the day I was born, I've never been a winner. When all my friends winning and laughing at me sit down one side reading my Bible and thinking all over again. That just gonna make me be a winner. Until I'm not getting no more,
You're living dangerously.
if you were missing from the scene for 8 years, you think you could just all of a sudden come back and sing and it would all just sort of fall into place? Or sometimes you need a little bit more time to get it back under control, get it back in a way that you can deliver it proper?
You have a lot of singers that went into a music school to get voice training. They would have a problem, but I think for me, it would be the same thing, because if I went to jail for 10 years, I'd be singing like hell in that cell, same way. So the voice would still keep in tune. And it's only the music that would keep me going, really. I've been traveling all over this world, oh yes. Never seen no black roses in no other garden.
Carter Hill Barrington Levy's slice of beautiful Jamaica, also where he stages Big League. Great vibe, but why won't they fix the road?
I come up here and I'm investing all of this up here, and they're still playing politics on the Jamaican people, which is wrong. They need to stop playing politics, and it doesn't matter who win, fix the road, because if PMP win, we have to pay taxes. If JLP win, we have to pay taxes, so they need to stop playing politics on Jamaican people and stop, oh, them vote for that side and they vote for that side. It doesn't make a difference.
Who's the one playing politics now? Come on. Come on, spit it out.
Oh, man. You sure?
Yes.
Oh, boy. They just need to fix the road. They need to fix the road. They need to fix the road. You know what I mean?
Because you're expanding your radio station, actually. You're building more antennas because you want to be reached as far away as Montego Bay.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to cover the whole island, but I'm taking it one step at a time. But, you know what I mean, these ministers need to fix the Carter Hill Road. Not only Carter Hill, they need to fix the road to Desire go back to Frankfield. They need to fix it. The money's not coming out of their pocket. We vote you in to do what you're supposed to do. Do it. I'll do the rest. That's it.
Last year, Shaggy. This year, Taras Riley, Capleton, Cha-Ching Ching, and Cockatee. Big League, February 23. And if you can, tune in to Roses FM.
You get to play up on your radio station and you don't have to have $1. And I might this jacket, them better play it. They have to play it. And it have to rotate, because it's good. If it's good music, bring it, come on Roses FM, we play it.
Money is the drug.
Oh, why can't I remember you?